43188 and 43171 working a Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central from starting from St David's there, guys. Bit rare to see it start from platform 1 as well. There she goes. We're back with another video at St David's again, guys, on this sunny, gloriously sunny Saturday afternoon, or Saturday lunchtime, whatever you want to call it. So in this video you'll be seeing services from Great Western Railway, Cross Country, and hopefully, I do say hopefully, South Western Railway in this video. We will be seeing a freight as well, coming from the Bungalow Junction going back to Westbury, which that freight is actually not too far away, hence why I just started this video. I don't know if it would be the same freight I saw yesterday evening, but we'll wait to find out on that. So I just recently hit 1,000 subscribers, so thank you very much on that, guys. Obviously a milestone I never thought I would ever reach, to be honest. So yeah, thank you very much, guys. Really do appreciate it. All support that you've been doing on my videos, all the likes and comments has been overwhelming. So keep it up, guys, and I'll do my best to keep the videos going. However, I am back at work next week, so the videos may go down a bit. I do have a backlog of videos to upload, so hope you do enjoy the videos. So we'll come back in a few minutes with some more trains. Okay then, guys, we are back in the video, and we do have that freight train now about to come through from the Bungalow Junction going back to Westbury. Trailer load of 800 tons, and I don't know if this will be the same freight we saw yesterday evening. Hopefully not. Looks like it is. Oh well. Okay, well, we're in luck, guys. That was not the same freight. That number is 66847. If I remember rightly, I think the number yesterday was 66846. So there we go. Okay then, guys, well, that's set that out of the way, and we could just fully concentrate on the passenger trains now. So we'll come back in a couple more minutes with some more trains. Okay, we've got the Barnstable service now coming in. Be this double 150. Oh, double 150 on the Barnstable line. Bloody hell. 150 266 and 150 243. Pretty rare sight that one is, for sure. There we go. Okay, well, about to depart over on platform 1 will be the Great Western Railway service to Exmouth. Now, I think I'm just going to record a few trains in this video, guys. I don't think it'll be a super duper long video like my previous videos. I'm just going to do a short one today for a change. So this is 150 247. The 150 246. So that's different. 246 and 247 to go around. I haven't seen that in a while. So even though I do record at St David's a lot, you do get a mixture of trains. They do mix it up now and again, so it's not always the same trains you see together every time. So for example, this unexpected double 150 on the Barnstable line, you didn't expect that, would you? So yeah. So I had a look at the trains. Trains seem to be running. Some trains are still late, like the Paddington services. One is running half an hour late due to a broken down train apparently. And yeah, I mean, one or two trains still getting cancelled due to train crew issues, but I think the problems with the bridge site near Plymouth and the finishing of the engineer works at Temple Meads looks like both of those things have finished now, so that could go back to normal. So yeah, hopefully now that that's gone back to normal, hopefully everything can run smoothly. Obviously the only problem now will be the ongoing situation with train crew issues. Obviously I had a look, and there's two London painting services that got cancelled due to that fact. So yeah, but there you go, it is what it is. So we'll come back in a couple more minutes with some more trains. Okay, well, we're back in the video, guys, and coming in now will be the Great Western Railway service to Paignton, 166 210. Is. I think we got the Great Western Railway service to Penzance is about to depart. 43155. Rougemont Castle nameplate. The 43088 at the back. I haven't seen that number. I don't think I've ever seen that number down here actually. The 088. Interesting. So yeah, so the castle sets are back now that everything is back to normal. So we'll be back in a few minutes with another train. I think a cross-country service to York coming in, and I believe that is a cross-country HST, so we'll come back shortly with that train. Okay guys, we're back in the video, and coming in now will be a Great Western Railway service to Exmouth. Double 150 on this one. So yeah, the weather for the next 3 to 4 days, guys, is looking really nice, looking really warm as well. By Tuesday, we're looking at 26 degrees, which is a crazy temperature for a September day, I would have to admit. We got the, as always, the 150-239, looking dirty. With the 244, which I think is also looking filthy. Yeah, 244 looking quite filthy as well. It always begs to differ if, you know, 150s ever get a wash on the actual front and back at least. They just look filthy every time. Well, I think the next train you'll see in this video will be that cross-country HST going to York, so we'll come back then. Okay guys, coming in now will be the cross-country service to York. (43.366). 43207. That one is running late now. I think about 10-11 minutes late. There she is. Okay guys, well, coming in now is a 150. No idea on this one. This is a bit of a strange one. unless it's going into the depot, is it? Yeah, it is as well. It's just the 150 238 by itself. Well, it's actually going on platform 6, okay. Any passengers on it? There is as well. Not sure what that is then. That can't be a service from Penzance, surely not. That'd be weird. Okay, well we got a 158 right down platform 1 there, as you can probably just about see. That's come from Bartswell. That should be about to depart anytime now. We should have a Great Western Railway service coming in going to Penzance. That is running late, and we should have a Great Western Railway service to London Paddington coming in as well. That is running late as well. So and despite most trains running, some trains are still late. So yeah. So we'll come back in a few seconds once this central train goes out, I will say. Okay, coming in now, as you can see, is that IET service to Penzance, stopping all the way down there. Okay, so that must be only 5 coaches. And we do have that 158 now leaving. Looks to be 951. You don't forget that 951 did a Bedminster service yesterday. And we got an IET waiting down the line to come in. I don't know why. Platform 5 is clearly available. I don't know why it's waiting down there. No idea. Gotta laugh at you guys. Anyway, hopefully we'll see that coming very shortly. Okay, well as soon as I turn the camera off, we got a terminating South Western Railway service from London Waterloo. 159 at 103. One 59008 at the back. There she is. Do I keep the camera on for this side? Yeah, I just don't know why it's waiting down there. I have no idea. Oh, it's on the move now anyway, but yeah, it's strange why it was waiting there, because platform 5 was clearly available. Oh. Oh, okay, that's interesting then. Oh, and again, nice tones there by the driver. Must be coming on platform 1 then. That's 802102. There's the number on the train. Nice tones by the driver there, thanks for that, and the wave. That's very unusual to see an IET come on to platform 1. You haven't seen that in a while. I thought that was going to be the London Paddington service. Apparently not. Yeah, quite a rare sight that, guys, seeing a IET on platform 1, for sure. You only see that when you get the diversions. Okay. Okay, what else do we do? I think we'll record this IT to if the people gets out the way. And this IT is going to Penzance. This is running late. I think we will probably end the video on this. Although I'm tempted to keep the camera rolling for the London Pansy service. Hopefully that should be coming in shortly. And that is late as well. Now I can see why the IET waited at the signal there. It's actually leaving now. Very strange. I have no idea on that movement of that IET there. That is a very strange one. A02006, and indeed the London Paddington service is coming in. So we'll end the video on this. And the number on this IET is A02105. So as she comes in, I am going to leave it here at Exeter St David's on this gloriously sunny Saturday afternoon. Hope you enjoyed the selection of trains. Bit of a shorter video than normal, but like I said, guys, I only just wanted to record a few trains today, nothing too big. But yeah, selection trains has been pretty decent. Obviously the freight we saw, going back to Westbury, the 159 South Western Railway, the 158 Turbo 150s, Coscoche HST, and the IET. Especially that odd movement of the IET on platform 1, that is a strange one. But quite a strange way to end the video, I would say. But nonetheless, guys, hope you enjoyed. So thanks for the 1,000 subscribers. Like I said, guys, I really do appreciate that. Really does mean a lot. So until next time, from me here at a very sunny Exeter St David's, I'll see you all soon, guys. Take care.